Welcome back to Cyber Learnings, your go-to channel for all things in tech. Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to use Facebook Marketplace. Step 1. Accessing Facebook Marketplace. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. If you're using a mobile device, you'll find the Marketplace icon at the top bar. Tap on it to get started. Step 2. Discovering items. To find what you're looking for, ensure your city is correctly set for accurate listings. Then, tap on the Categories tab and choose a category that matches your interests. Browse through the listings and be sure to check out the item's photos for a closer look. Step 3. Buying items. When you've found something you like, it's time to connect with the seller. You can contact them through Messenger to ask questions or negotiate. If you're ready to make a purchase, simply hit the Send Offer button or start a conversation to get more details. Step 4. Selling items. Ready to declutter and sell your items? Tap the Sell tab. Select the appropriate category for your item or service, then proceed to the listing page. Upload clear, attractive photos and provide accurate information. Once everything looks good, hit Publish to post your listing. Step 5. Making the most of the platform. Facebook Marketplace is not just for buying and selling, it's a community. If you find a reliable seller, consider following them for future listings. Additionally, you can create a profile to manage your listings more effectively. Stay tuned for more tech tutorials on Cyber Learnings. Don't forget to like and subscribe for awesome content.